Hello, this is a simple tutorial in Procreate just to show you how you can easily trace a simple shape. So I've just got a blank canvas here. I'm using an iPad and I'm using an Apple Pencil. So I've just imported a little photo there of a little cat shape, just something easy to draw. Let's make it bigger. Okay, so now we're going to go up to the layers on the right hand side here. And next to the tick box there, there's an N. We're going to click on that. And the opacity, the top one here, just going to reduce it. And if you look at the picture, you can see that it's fading. So we want to be able to see our new lines and still see the picture behind. So that's on about 8%. Okay. Then we need a new layer because we don't want to put our new lines on top of that picture. We want to put it on a new layer. Okay, so I'm using a technical pen here on 15%, but obviously use whatever you want. And then we're just going to trace over the shape. This is why I trace. I'm not very good at drawing. Okay. Now I'm going to do this exact just to show you what I'm doing, but obviously please don't just copy things without making any changes or putting any of your own work into it. Okay. It's got little marks in his ears there as well, hasn't it? See how you do need to be able to see what's under there. Okay, I think that's all right. Okay, and then we'll go up to our layers. Take off the original, so untick the box next to the original there, and then we're just left with our own drawing there. Well, it's not our own drawing, but you know what I mean. Right, so now we're going to give it some colour. Oh, not that much colour. We haven't. You need to enclose things if you want to do that. Okay, it's still not done. Okay. Let's have a slightly, oh no, we'll have the same pink as nose. Same pink in here. Just draw those in. Okay, so a slightly different colour on the side of his ears. Okay, let's just see what our original one was behind. Yeah, pretty much the same. It's just got some grey in his eyes, which we could easily do. But obviously, if you were doing this yourself, add something else, make it your own, give him a smile. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.